Hi, I'm Tara from CTC Train Canada. Welcome to our Systems Center 2012 Operations Manager course overview. This 5-day instructor-led course provides students with the necessary knowledge to successfully design and deploy Microsoft Systems Center 2012 Operations Manager. In this course, you will be introduced to the basic theory of service monitoring, configuration, and deployment of Operations Manager 2012. With over 25 years of training experience and Microsoft Gold Learning Partner status, you can expect a superior, live instructor-led delivery that will allow you to take advantage of the power of Microsoft SharePoint 2010. To get more information or register for the course, please go to traincanada.com or call us toll-free at 1-800-699-4007. Thanks, and we look forward to seeing you in class.